Hi everybody, welcome to a new episode of the Stevo Show. I've been notably absent over the past couple of weeks, and I'd love to say it's because I'm working on some amazing project I'm about to put up. It's not. But there are a couple of reasons why I've not put any videos up. Number one, I got myself a new drone and I'm still learning how to fly it. It's very, very difficult, and I'm trying to get some cool shots with it and sort of use it differently to other people and see how that goes. Number two, I've just been watching lots and lots of YouTube. I've been trying to find out if there's something that's not currently available on the channel, and rather than trying to copy everyone else, I'm really conscious that I want to make something quite unique. It's more difficult than it sounds. I like the idea of sort of having a magazine show with maybe a weekly music guest or something, but that's a lot more difficult than it seems to sound. But if you're a musician out there and you want to work. Number three, I have been deleting a lot of or not sharing things that I have been working on because I've been quite self-conscious. I've been kind of overly critical of, and I've deleted a lot of stuff that I've just thought it's not worth putting on. Number four, kind of hit a creativity block. So I'm sort of trying to work on that at the moment, and this is kind of what this is about. I'm looking for help as well, so any suggestions, anything that you want to see, anything you want to see filmed, I'm quite happy to go and actually do it, but sometimes I just need a bit of a nudge of what you want to see, and I'll try my best to put that in a film for you as well. And yeah, so what's this episode about? It's kind of about that. What's the channel going to be about? Still no idea. I like the idea of doing something about Cumbernauld. I don't think there's enough about Cumbernauld online, or even people in Scotland know enough about what's going on in Cumbernauld, so I'm really keen on it. But I'm going to leave you with this little video compilation of some of the stuff that I've already shot on the drone, and with the weather getting a wee bit better and the days getting a bit longer, hopefully I'll have some content to share with you quite soon. But for now, here's some of the cooler bits of footage that I have shot with the drone. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy the little montage at the end, and feel free to share, comment, leave me some ideas, really, leave me some ideas, I'd love it. And yeah, speak to you soon, thanks. And thanks for watching, and hopefully I'll be back soon with some wild and amazing videos. So thanks.